you can completely and permanently banish every single destructive pest from your garden without ever buying another drop of toxic chemical pesticide. By spending $5 on scrap metal and utilizing a deeply suppressed 1948 biological secret that the old order Amish used to make their plants physically invisible to insects, you are standing in the middle of your garden, staring down at an absolute massacre. Just yesterday, you had a perfectly healthy row of cabbage and kale. Today, the leaves look like Swiss cheese. They are completely riddled with holes, chewed down to the bare, pathetic stalks. You see the slimy trails of slugs crisscrossing the dirt. You see the massive, repulsive green hornworms hanging lazily from your tomato vines, absolutely gorged on the food you spent months trying to grow. You feel a massive, suffocating wave of frustration and absolute anger. You march into your garage, and you reach for the plastic bottles. You grab the expensive, highly toxic, neurotoxin-laced chemical sprays that the modern garden center sold you. You walk back outside and you spray a thick, oily, suffocating chemical film all over your plants. You are actively spraying potent poison directly onto the food you intend to put on your dinner table, just to stop the bleeding. But you know exactly what happens next. It rains. The toxic spray washes directly off the leaves and seeps into the groundwater. 3 days later, the pests are back, hungrier than ever, having quickly developed a biological resistance to the very chemicals you just bought. You are trapped in an incredibly expensive, highly toxic, and completely exhausting war of attrition. You have been explicitly taught by the modern agricultural industry that pests are an unstoppable plague, and that your only defense is a permanent, expensive subscription to their chemical poisons. We are going to shatter that deeply toxic, highly profitable illusion right now. In this video, we have one massive, uncompromising, and deeply biological goal. We are going to learn exactly how to bypass the billion-dollar pesticide cartel permanently. We are going to learn the heavily guarded, completely suppressed science of the Amish Galvanic Pest Shield. We are chasing total and absolute botanical sovereignty. We are going to learn how to take $5 worth of specific scrap metal, place it strategically in the dirt, and physically alter the biochemical makeup of your plant's sap, turning your garden into a fortress that insects are biologically incapable of eating. We are going to build a zero-cost, permanent force field. But to achieve this kind of absolute leverage over your own land, you have to deeply understand the massive arrogance and the calculated greed of the enemy you are fighting. You must understand that the multi-billion-dollar pesticide industry operates on a deeply guarded model of engineered failure. For the last 70 years, the chemical agricultural cartels have operated on a highly profitable lie. They want you to believe that insects are random, malicious attackers that strike healthy plants without warning. They want you to believe that a garden is a sterile battlefield that must be constantly sterilized with heavy poisons. Why? Because if you understood the actual biology of an insect, you would never buy their products again. The cartels know that pests do not attack healthy plants. They know that insects are nature's garbage collectors. Pests are biologically programmed to only attack weak, sick, electrically deficient plants. But the modern agricultural system, with its heavy tilling, synthetic fertilizers, and dead dirt, intentionally creates incredibly weak, sick plants. They create the exact buffet that attracts the pests, and then they sell you the chemical poison to treat the symptom. In the late 1940s, right as the post-WUI chemical agricultural boom was taking over the world, independent agronomists and researchers were discovering something that terrified the emerging pesticide cartels. They were observing farmers, specifically traditional communities like the Amish, who were producing massive, pristine harvests without a single drop of the new chemical sprays. The researchers realized that these traditional farmers were not fighting the pests. They were fortifying the plants. They understood that the earth is a massive electrical battery, and that a plant's immune system is entirely governed by its ability to pull complex minerals out of that battery. When the chemical cartels took over in 1948, aggressively pushing synthetic nitrogen and neurotoxin sprays, they deliberately buried the science of plant immunity. They mocked the idea of using simple metals or deep mineral balance. reclassifying these permanent solutions as folktales so they could sell you a temporary, highly toxic subscription. But the laws of physics and biology do not care about corporate marketing. The science of plant immunity is undeniably real, and the exact same biological hack the Amish use to protect their harvests is completely available to you right now. To understand how you can weaponize scrap metal to create a pest-proof garden, you must deeply understand the hardcore, microscopic biology of the insect digestive tract. You have to understand why a bug decides to eat a plant. Insects like aphids, caterpillars, and locusts have incredibly simple, highly primitive digestive systems. They literally lack the complex digestive enzymes required to process highly complex, nutrient-dense plant tissue. They are biologically incapable of digesting complex sugars, heavy proteins, and complete mineral profiles. If an insect tries to eat a highly healthy plant, a plant with a massive concentration of complex sugars in its sap, the complex sugars will literally ferment inside the insect's stomach, turning into alcohol and completely destroying them from the inside out. Insects are not looking for a healthy meal. They are looking for simple, watery, broken down starches and free amino acids, the exact chemical profile of a weak, sick, synthetically fertilized plant. When you use the Amish metal trick, you are not building a physical wall. You are aggressively supercharging the plant's metabolism. You are forcing the plant to pull massive amounts of deep trace minerals, specifically calcium, magnesium, and copper, out of the soil. This rapidly builds incredibly complex sugars in the plant's sap. When the pest lands on your supercharged plant, it takes one microscopic bite. Its primitive biological sensors immediately detect the highly complex, indigestible sugars, and it violently recoils. It realizes that eating this plant is a death sentence. It drops off the leaf and moves on to your neighbor's weak, chemically fed garden. You have made your plant physically invisible as a food source. This is the exact, highly specific, step-by-step master stack to execute the Amish Galvanic Pest Shield. We will build this in 3 distinct phases, moving from the simple physical barrier to the highly advanced, deeply suppressed secret of the galvanic earth battery. Phase 1 is the copper ring. This is the simplest, most immediate physical application for terrestrial pests, specifically targeting the absolute scourge of the garden: slugs and snails. You do not need to pour toxic chemical slug bait pellets all over your soil. You must acquire pure, heavy-gauge bare copper wire. Do not use coated wire, and do not use insulated electrical wire. The copper must be completely naked and exposed to the elements. You take a length of this bare copper wire, and you form a tight, continuous ring directly on the surface of the dirt, completely encircling the main stem of your vulnerable plant, like a hosta, a cabbage, or a young pepper plant. The ring must be fully closed, with the ends of the wire twisted together. When a slug or a snail attempts to crawl toward your plant, it must physically cross over the bare copper wire. Slugs excrete a highly acidic, conductive slime trail to move. The exact microsecond their acidic slime makes physical contact with the bare copper metal, it triggers a massive, violent electrochemical reaction. It is the biological equivalent of you grabbing an exposed live electrical wire. The slug receives a massive, highly painful galvanic shock. It violently recoils from the copper ring and refuses to cross it. You have created an impenetrable, localized electrical fence that requires absolutely zero batteries, zero maintenance, and will last in your garden for decades without ever degrading. Phase 2 is the galvanic root supercharger. This is where we stop relying on physical barriers and start actively altering the chemical makeup of the plant's sap to repel flying and chewing insects. This utilizes the hardcore physics of the earth battery. To build a galvanic cell, a battery, you need 2 completely different types of metal with vastly different electrical potentials. You will need bare copper wire, which acts as your highly noble cathode, and you will need heavily galvanized steel wire, or a galvanized nail, which is coated in pure zinc and acts as your highly active anode. The moist, acidic dirt in your garden acts as the liquid electrolyte connecting them. You do not just throw these metals on the ground. You must strategically place them in the root zone. Take a 6-inch piece of the galvanized zinc wire and push it straight down into the wet dirt, exactly 4 inches away from the main stem of your target plant. Then, take a 6-inch piece of the pure bare copper wire and push it straight down into the dirt on the exact opposite side of the plant. The two different metals must never physically touch each other. Once both metals are buried in the moist soil, you have just built an underground electrical generator. As the moisture in the soil interacts with the differing electrical potentials of the zinc and the copper, electrons are violently stripped from the zinc and pulled directly toward the copper. This creates a constant, unyielding, permanent flow of microscopic direct current electricity, moving straight through the dirt, exactly through the root zone of your plant. This constant flow of microvolts does something incredible. It actively cracks apart the hard molecular bonds of locked-up trace minerals in the soil. It instantly makes massive amounts of calcium, phosphorus, and iron highly bioavailable to your plant's roots. The plant aggressively drinks these free minerals, rapidly building massive, complex sugars in its sap. Without using a single drop of chemical fertilizer, you have permanently altered the plant's internal chemistry, turning its sap into an indigestible fortress that aphids, beetles, and caterpillars are biologically incapable of eating. Phase 3 is the master stack. This is the deep calcium infusion. The metal alone is incredibly powerful, but to guarantee absolute pest immunity, you must provide the raw building blocks the electrical current is trying to unlock. The single most critical element for plant immunity is calcium. Calcium is the biological glue that holds the plant's cell walls together. If a plant has massive amounts of calcium, its cell walls become so incredibly thick and tough that the microscopic, piercing mouth parts of an aphid literally cannot penetrate them. But you cannot just throw agricultural lime on the surface. It takes years to break down. You must create water-soluble calcium. You take standard, discarded eggshells. You completely dry them out and crush them into a fine powder. You place this powder into a glass mason jar and you pour standard, cheap white vinegar over it. The highly acidic vinegar immediately attacks the calcium carbonate in the eggshells, violently bubbling and off-gassing carbon dioxide. You let this sit for 1 week until the bubbling completely stops. You have just executed a massive chemical extraction. You have created water-soluble calcium acetate. You take 1 single tablespoon of this highly concentrated liquid calcium and dilute it into a full gallon of water. You pour this liquid directly over the soil where your copper and zinc galvanic battery is actively running. The electrical current instantly grabs the liquid calcium and drives it forcefully into the plant's root system. The plant violently absorbs the calcium, rapidly thickening its cellular walls and spiking its internal sugar levels. You have built an impenetrable biological armor, but you must never just take my word for it, and you should never operate on blind faith or romantic garden folklore. The massive pesticide cartels want you to believe that this is impossible, that pests are an unstoppable plague, and that you must pay them for a chemical rescue. We are going to operate on hard, undeniable, highly aggressive scientific proof. You can prove this biological system works in your own yard this very week. Go online and buy a $20 Brix refractometer. This is the exact same scientific tool we use to measure the Amish black sponge. It measures the absolute density of dissolved complex sugars and minerals inside the sap of a plant leaf. Pluck a single leaf from a weak, chemically fed plant that is currently being devoured by aphids or beetles. Crush the green sap onto the glass of the refractometer and read the blue line. It will absolutely read below an 8. The plant is mathematically weak and highly digestible to pests. Then, execute the Amish Metal Master Stack. Bury the copper and zinc. Apply the water-soluble calcium. Wait exactly 7 days. Pluck a new leaf from that supercharged plant. Crush the sap onto the glass and look through the lens. You will physically see the reading shoot massively upward, crossing the crucial threshold of 12 and heading toward 14 or 16. You will look at the digital number, and then you will look at the plant. You will physically witness the aphids disappear. You will see the beetles move on. The evidence is mathematically, biologically undeniable. No slick corporate pesticide marketing department can argue with a refractometer and a pristine, untouched leaf. We live in a world that has been completely, terrifyingly conditioned to view nature as a massive, uncontrollable threat that must be poisoned into submission. We have completely outsourced our biological defense to massive chemical syndicates that prioritize endless subscriptions and toxic dependency over true permanent resilience. They have built an entire agricultural system that intentionally weakens our food supply just so they can sell us the poison to fix it. Executing the Amish Galvanic Pest Shield is not just a clever, frugal gardening trick. It is the absolute ultimate act of botanical defiance. It is a permanent, physical withdrawal of your participation in a massive corporate system that demands you spray poison on the food you feed your family. When you twist that bare copper wire, when you drive that zinc into the earth, and when you extract that raw calcium, you are actively bypassing the entire modern chemical supply chain. You are locking your garden's health away in an unbreakable, living, self-regenerating biological vault. The scrap metal you bury in your dirt today will never require a warning label. It will never wash away in the rain. It will never create superbugs, because it is constantly working with the fundamental physics of the earth to manufacture authentic, massive immunity. The pristine, untouched, rapidly growing leaves of your supercharged plants are the absolute, undeniable proof that the highest botanical defense technology on Earth was not invented in a sterile corporate chemical factory. True power, true physical resilience, and true biological immunity are born entirely out of mastering the invisible electrical environment. Stop spraying poison for the very corporations that engineered your failure. Subscribe to the channel to learn how to bury the metal and build your impenetrable fortress.